How to join someone on Roblox with their joins off or without being friends. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join someone on Roblox with their joins off or without being friends. When a user has their joins turned off, it means they have set their privacy settings to prevent others from joining them in games. However, there are some methods you can try to join someone on Roblox with their joins off. For that, you need to first open the Chrome browser of your device, and in the search bar of your Chrome browser, here type in roblox.com. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter button to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Roblox. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account on this interface, you will be able to see the search bar at the top. Click on the search bar and here type in the username of the person you are looking for. You will be presented with the suggested results here. Here you need to click on In People option. Click on this option and now you will be presented with all the people that have similar username you have entered in the search box. From here, find the person whom you are searching for. Once you get the person you are searching for, click on their profile picture to enter to your profile page. And once you enter to their profile page, here look for the join option. If you didn't find the join option, that means the user has turned off the join settings. Now to join with this person, you will need to use browser extension called Rose Searcher. Rose Searcher is a browser extension that allows users to search for specific Roblox players in public game servers even if their joins are turned off. Here's how you can use it. On your Chrome browser, open a new tab. And once you open the new tab, here at the top right, you will find 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots and from this drop down, here you need to click on this extensions option. Once you click on extensions, there you will be able to see 2 different options. Click on Visit Chrome Web Store. You may also directly search for Chrome Web Store in any browser and then you will be able to reach the Chrome's Web Store. Now click on this option and now here in this page you need to search for Rose Searcher in the search bar. Click on the search bar and there search for Rose Searcher. Now once you have entered the keyword, press the enter button and then below you will be able to see the search results. Click on this browser and then here you will be able to see this button Add to Chrome. Click on this button. Now after clicking on Add to Chrome, this pop-up window will appear at the top. Here you need to click on this Add Extension. Once you click on Add Extension, now it will be added to your Chrome browser. Now after doing this, you need to go to the games page of Roblox and there you will be able to see Rose Searcher button. And when you click on the Rose Searcher, there you will be asked to enter the username of the person you'd like to join. If the user is playing currently, it will direct you to the server and there you need to click on Join Game. And once you enter the server, you will be able to join into the same server as the person you searched for. So by following these steps, you should be able to join someone on Roblox with their joins off. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.